Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm gonna show you what it looks like when my home fermented veg is ready. So this is nice Polish crock and I really love it. This was such a great purchase and it's not huge, but it's not the smallest either, so it's a good size for me. If you've got a bigger family, you can go for bigger size. And now it's been like 3 weeks and I'm gonna look inside. It's always a bit of surprise, and I'm just gonna put it in mason jars and straight to the fridge, and of course I'm gonna enjoy it. Okay, so it's always a little bit of surprise what's gonna be inside. You can see this rim. So basically what I do during the 3 weeks, I make sure I top it up with water. And now we can look inside. So I've got still a bit of water in, so I'm gonna wipe it off. Okay, and I have these weights on the top, so make sure everything was submerged in water, so I'm gonna take them out. There is one more. And what I usually ferment, it's cabbage, carrot, pepper. I put always something from the wild, some wild herbs. But this time I went for white squash. What did I put in? I can't even remember. Sweet potato, some kale, and some seasoning. So it was quite an unusual combination for me. I had loads of water on the top, so I get rid of the water, and this is what it looks like inside. So I'm gonna put it in mason jars now. And what is nice about this, you will find your unique combinations and your unique flavors. It's sort of like trial error, what you like, what you don't like. So it's always a good fun, and it's really good for your gut and for your immune system. So I can't wait to taste this one. Yes, and the squash, it literally dissolved in it. So it's not like the usual stuff. So look at that. And I completely forgot I put some ginkgo leaves in it just for the taste, so I'm gonna discard them, but it's always nice surprise after 3 weeks saying, oh, what did I actually put in it? Okay, so I've got a couple of jars, two more, and one tiny bit. And I was actually able to identify what else I put in it. So I also got some ginger, and they are like tiny bits, and these are nettle seeds. So I actually fermented some nettle seeds, and I also put some cumin, rose petals, and yeah, loads of stuff in it. So have a go, have a play with it. It's really wonderful stuff. If you do squash, it will release loads of liquid, and it will actually dissolve. So this is my first time. Just letting you know in case you are going for it. And if you've got cabbage or something like that, it will stay in the, it won't lose the shape, so don't worry about it. And I will put this into the fridge and have a little nibble, uh, sort of when I feel like it, and I put it on my food or I put it on my bread, just have a little tiny bit. Don't go crazy if you are not used to it. It's just getting the taste, getting the good bacteria into your gut. So you don't want to overdo it from the beginning. And next time I will do cabbage with another combination. I've got a yarrow outside in my garden. It's really sort of perfumey. It can be like overwhelming, but I put a few leaves in the fermenting process, which would be absolutely fine to get something wild and healing properties. Bit of whiteness here, it's the nettle seeds for me as well. So these should be like super boosters, and as you can see, I'm wearing scarf. I've got really sore throat, so yes, I'm gonna get some of this goodness inside of me, and hopefully I will heal pretty soon. So I hope you find it inspiring. Let me know what sort of combination you like to do, and if you are thinking to buy this nice ceramic crock, so go for it. There is nothing left. I need to clean it now, and it's really easy to clean, and I'm honestly glad, so glad I bought it. So if you want to make your own fermented veg, go for it. And if you want some inspiration, I actually bought a few of them. So here you have the recipe. So if you don't know what to put in it, and if you buy something and you really like it, try to copy this combination. So what I had some cabbage, carrots, salt, onion, garlic, red peppers, ginger, chili, and paprika. And that was it, and it was really nice. So if you buy something, you really like it, check the recipe and try to make your own combination. So let me know in the comments below, what are you fermenting, what is your favorite combo. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now, leave me some comments, spread some love, share with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.